Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 KTM RC 390. It's lightweight sport bike, is really fun to ride. Awesome performance for such a great package. This bike's in excellent condition. If you notice that the rear foot pegs are missing, that's a good eye. We have them here for you if you want to take a passenger. Full fairing, fuel injected, electric start, liquid cooled, only 12,540 miles on this beautiful KTM. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.